Welcome to another Dad and Kid, and today we're going to make some
cupcake.
Yeah, it's our first baking.
Yay!
Okay,
so like a birthday cake.
Yes, we're at Grandma's house, and we haven't got all of our stuff really. Normally, if we were at home, we would wear our aprons, right? Normally,
I have my big.
Yeah, but at home we've got all those things. But here in Grandma's we don't have. So we're going to have to make do with no aprons. But we need to check all the things that we need, right? We need
some milk and also butter and a bowl. One piece of bowl.
One piece of bowl?
Yes.
We need one egg.
One
We're
egg.
going to put that in the bowl. We've got one egg, a bowl, a mixing bowl, a cupcake tray. These are not normally have the paper ones that we put in the metal ones, but these are just plastic ones. And then we've greased them already, okay? And what we also need is some milk, some butter, soft butter.
Let's go.
Let's bake.
Let's bake now.
Right, so. Oh, actually, we've got cupcakes in here. Oh, I didn't know.
And I didn't know there were seeds in there. I didn't know there were seeds.
Neither did I. Actually, so that means we're going to change it.
Wow, these ones. Wow, that one was really cool. Why are there only 3, Daddy? Let's go to 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. First, we have to do some egg cracking. I don't know what to do.
Not yet.
Okay.
So it says place the cupcakes in the tray ready to fill. We've done that. A little bit small for the tray, but never mind. Okay. Then we need to empty the cupcake mix into a mixing bowl and add egg and milk. Okay, so.
Yeah, first we do egg.
And the last one there. And I think that one was a bit small, so we put more in there.
We are going to eat cupcakes later.
We are going to eat cupcakes later. Taste it, it's yummy.
Chocolate taste.
Can I taste it, Maya? No.
It's chocolate taste.
Maya wants to wait till they're made. Okay, so now put these in the oven.
Aww.
Wait, what do we? Oh.
How are these?
Yeah, but we've got to do that later. This is the icing mix. We've got to make some icing mix. While with these in the oven, we're going to make another mix with some icing. So, let's go take these into the oven.
I'm gonna help you, Daddy. I'm gonna help you, Daddy.
Okay. Right. Huh?
Stand back. Stand back. Stand back.
Okay, so Daddy's gonna do the rack. Okay, and then we're gonna just flip them there. Okay, don't touch this. Let go, because it's hot here. Okay.
Yay!
And then I'm going to leave them there for 15 minutes, okay? When this timer goes off, it goes ding-a-ling. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, good job. Let's go.
It's nearly to 0.
Can you see them already starting to grow?
What?
They started rising, right? They're going up and up.
And if they go to 0, they're going to ding-a-ling.
Ding-a-ling.
Hot, Daddy. It's hot, Daddy.
What? Oh, it's a bit
Go
smoky.
away from it. Let me get away from it.
There's nobody mixing, just eating.
Mixing. We are mixing. Whoa. Butter.
Yeah, we need it. Here's our cupcakes ready,
Wow, it's got a blue.
including.
It's got blue.
I know, I just put them in there so that they don't tip over when we're putting the tops on. You can lick this now.
Yay!
Just going to sprinkle these on like this.
Whee! Ice
Can you do it?
cream!
But just not so many, right? Not too much, just like this. Good, and the next one. Finished!
Finished!
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Ta-da!
6 cupcakes.
6 cupcakes. Now I have one for me.
Who wants to eat one?
Me!
Okay. Maybe we'll have one for Grandma, one for Mummy. Okay?
And the last one is for me and Maya.
Okay. That's your turn.
Yum, yum, yum. I want to try this one. I want to try this one.
Maya, don't you want this one?
Mmm.
Yummy.
It's with sprinkles and it's yummy. So,
I think it's time for us to go and eat cupcakes. So we're going to say, see you later, alligators.
and one crocodile. Thank you, Grandma, for the yummy cupcakes. Thank you, Grandma, for the yummy cupcakes.
And is one for, have we saved one for Grandma?
Yeah.
Yeah? Which one's Grandma's?
That one. This one. This
Okay,
one.
good. Okay. See you later, Grandma.
See you later, Grandma. See you later, Grandma Baba. See you later, Grandma Baba. See you later, alligator.
Not your tongue, use your finger.
But Peppa Pig always do that.
Well, Peppa Pig's a piggy, are you a piggy?
Yes.
You're a piggy.